So in 2019 I brought a GoPro 8 black edition, right? So I used this one about now 4 years I think, right? But in recently this one is keep restarting when I click the switch to turn off, but after a few seconds it always restarted. So I search on Google and some answers for this, right? So I will teach you how to fix this keep restarting problem on GoPro 8, right? So let's see how this can save your money and find the solutions for your GoPro, right? So what I have found that the solution is it can be sticky on the your switch on here, right? So it will keep pressing or while stuck in the this plastic or the rubber cover in your GoPro 8, right? So but first I have removed this battery and SD card to find about the problem is on there. So but it will not show that the problem on there, right? So I found that there may be a sticky situation on here, right? So I just remove this, right? This can remove using your nail, right? You can press for 4 areas on here, right? Then you can easily remove this rubber part on here, right? So then I inserted my battery on here and SD card, and now let's see the this GoPro camera working or not, right? So you can see on here there will be a switch on here, right? So I will press the switch, just one. Yeah, it's keep beeping, and you can see now the screen will turn on, right? On here screen will turn on, and it will request some update. Just I skip, right? Now it's working without restarting, right? So you can see front of here, right? It's also working. So now I'm turn off in this right? It keep beeping and it's turn on. Now wait a few seconds that this one will restart or not, right? So I waited a few seconds, it didn't restart, right? So what you need to do is now you have to find a way to cover this area, right? Some part of glue or something that you can cover on here, right? You can find something to cover on here that not getting water in here, right? Then you can easily work on with this GoPro 8, right? I think you guys have learned something new. So please subscribe my channel and hit like and share our video.